Let's begin with Rani Mukherjee's exclusive birthday celebration with Zoom.
You're looking 16. Yeah, tell me, like, how does it feel? How old are you going to turn?
I'm going to turn 33, and I'm really excited about this number because 3 is a lucky number for me, and 33, I think this year I'm going to really rock.
Yeah, 3 and 3 is 6, number of Venus. So are you going to fall in love this year?
Of course. There's always so much time for love and everything. So okay. Yeah, definitely.
What's the birthday celebration going to be like?
My niece is going to cut my birthday cake and she's going to have a party for me. So that's what I'm really looking forward to, because she gets really excited with birthdays and stuff. So
okay. You said that recently that at 20 you're a fool in love, and at 30 you're truly in love.
Yeah.
Do you still stand by that statement?
Absolutely. Because you know, when you're 20 you're naive and you don't know what you're doing. You're quite confused about the definition of love. Yeah. And then suddenly at 30 you realize, okay, now this is love, this is for keeps. Yeah. So 30 or why?
But Rani, a lot of people know what they want out of life at 20 today.
Yeah, because today generation has changed. I think, I guess but I still stand by the fact that at 20 you don't really find true love. You don't find true love. Yeah. It's more attraction at that age. Attraction. Yeah, but attraction could be mental, it could be spiritual. Yeah, of course. Physical. Yes, yeah. Absolutely. That's a lot of fun, right? Yeah. Have you found someone? Not as yet. But when I do, yes, I will straight get married. But actually, according to the media, Saat Khoon Maaf is happening with you. You got married like 100 times. Absolutely. More than 100, I guess. And yeah. My venues keep changing every year. Okay. The months keep changing, the dates keep changing. So hopefully, when the real marriage date happens and when the real marriage happens, I think at least my fans will know about it first. But the man remains the same. Let's see. Yeah. You never know. Recently, a newspaper wrote that, you said you're younger than Aishwarya and Preeti. They must not have taken too kindly to that. I really don't think so, because that's not what I meant. I think I was talking about my own age, which as we just discussed right now, and it's for everybody to know and to see. So there's no kind of truth to that in terms of trying to say that I'm younger or not. I think the truth is for everybody to see. We can't hide our ages, so as much as we would like to, but I guess everybody knows how old we are, and there is nothing to hide, and the whole point was that I am younger than my contemporaries, but obviously we all do have a screen age where we are the same in our screen ages, but in our actual ages there are differences, because some people join earlier in their life, some people join at a later stage in life. So I don't think anybody would be that stupid to take it unkindly. How does it feel to team up with one of your best friends, Aamir? You're coming back in a very big movie. Yeah. I think and working with Aamir, I think the most important thing is that he's my friend for life, and working with him is great because I've always learned a lot from him, whether it was on the sets of Gulam or then even after that, because we've carried forth our friendship even though we've not worked together that often. But just working with him is always a great experience. Always I learn a lot from him. And not only in his professional career, I think he's a really disciplined person and an actor, and I think that's something to really learn. And I really am thoroughly enjoying working with him. What's a birthday gift you're going to give yourself this year? Lots of clothes. I love clothes, so yeah, I'll gift myself some clothes. What's the most romantic gift that you ever received? Romantic gift? I don't think anything can define a romantic gift. What can a romantic gift be? I think right now the idea of romance would be somebody should cook me a meal. That would be romantic. Okay. Or would bake a cake for me. That would be romantic.